Reports for your courses, an overview. From the dashboard, click Courses and scroll down on the left hand side to Reports. Now when we click this button, it would be the same as clicking Reports up here on the right hand side. This is a direct link and opens a new tab for you to view reports. Let's click this now and watch the new tab open here. Notice the new tab, we haven't lost the page, but we've opened up the reports page. As I mentioned, this is exactly the same as hitting reports up here on the right. There's no difference. So from the reports area, you can view the course progress within here and view reports about your course. To find out more information about the reports area, make sure you check out the support documentation which fully covers the report area on your Zenler site.